Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about panela. So panela is it's like a block of sugar cane, and it looks like this. I'm gonna put a couple pictures so you guys can see it. And this is panela. This is pure sugar cane. This one I'm about to do it. Um, they got a lot of benefits. That and lemon. I put those together. I boil first the sugar cane with three let me show you, 3 cups. 3 cups of water. Put it in a pan or anything like that. And 3 cups of water. 1 piece like this of sugar cane. Then you let it boil. And when it boils, it turns brown. Real nice. When it turns brown and start boiling, you shut it off. Pour that inside the cup. When you pour that inside the cup, then you get 2 lemons. Lemons got a lot of benefits too. I'm gonna tell you the benefits about lemon first. It lower your stroke risk. First of all, it lowers your blood pressure. It helps. The benefits to prevent cancer. It maintains your healthy complexion. That's a good one. Prevent asthma. Increase iron absorption. Boosting your immune system. And that's a big one right nowadays because everybody's getting sick. So I recommend that definitely. And it helps you to weight loss. If you drink panela with lemon, it helps a lot. Panela brings calcium, iron, potassium, and sodium to the table. So that's more natural to your system. And the good benefits about this is to help you if you're coughing or start getting sick or you start feeling down. A cup of this every night, at night and in the morning before you go to work, that helps a lot. I'm not a doctor, but I will tell you something. That bring my system back up. You know, not everybody's the same way, but when I was sick, that's what I did. And it works. It works perfect. And that's a good thing. Vanilla and lemon is one of the greatest. Even if you use in the morning, you get some hot water, let it boil, and then pour it in a coffee cup. And then inside the coffee cup, you put 2 lemons by itself. Every morning, you're going to start losing weight little by little. Not right away and then you're going to help your system to get better too at the same time. You got to do it before you eat anything. So I know, in the morning it's kind of hard because everybody wants to have breakfast, but that's a great solution. And panela, let me tell you something. I thought I'd never like it so much, and that's why I'm gonna promote the panela because at first I didn't like it. I didn't taste it, but when I tasted, I was like, wow, I've seen this for years because I used to travel a lot to Colombia and I used to see this panela everywhere, but I never tried it. And this time when I tried it, I fall in love with it. I like it. It's great. It helps my system. It brings me back up, give me life. quick. So I know you guys gonna like it and you guys gonna enjoy it. So hopefully, um, let's get one done and you guys will see by yourself. I recommend it. Panela lemon together. So I'm gonna show you in the next link how the panela start working on and getting ready. All right, guys, let's follow the next link. So, guys, I use this to boil my panela. So I gotta get 3 cups of water right now. And that's one. There's 2. And there's 3. So now, let me turn this. And we're gonna let it heat up a little bit. Oh, turn the wrong one. There we go. And we're gonna get the piece of panela, and we're just gonna put it inside, and that's gonna be good. Got my 2 lemons ready to go. Whippa! This thing is gonna taste really good. You don't need to add sugar, you don't need to add anything because you got plenty of sugar cane in there. So give me a few minutes and I get the panela ready. Now there, if you guys notice, start getting, that's the sugar cane breaking little by little. That's incredible, huh? How nature let grow a sugar cane from the ground up, and then people like us cut it, put it in, take it to the place, and they drag it to a machine, and the machine start liquid coming out. Then from the liquid, it goes to a big boil pan, and it start boiling the liquid, and the boiling the liquid turns to a rock or to really dark liquid, and the liquid they put in a mold and start creating the panela. That's incredible, and at the same time beautiful, because that's good for us, for humans. Human people. Crazy J Lugo channel, making panela. It's kind of nice. It's gonna start boiling soon. You can very, very hot. See how it start boiling right now? It's getting there. Start boiling more and more and more. It takes about probably 7 or 8 minutes. It's almost there. Here we go. That's real good. So let's pull it out. And because it's very, very hot, I want to grab it with my hands, you know. And put it right here. You guys, now we're gonna get the lemon. And this is what makes vanilla and lemon really, really good. Especially if you're coughing a lot. This right here, it will help you big time. It's better than drink medicine, trust me. If you drink this 3 times in a day, if you're sick, you're gonna find yourself way, way much better. And me, I'm preventing because I don't want to get sick. I got somebody at work that he gets sick every time. I've been telling him to drink this, and because some people are lazy, let's put it that way, and they don't want to drink something different, but it's the best. It's the best when you drink something different. Believe me, right now I gotta let it cool down because it's very hot. So I let it cool down a little bit so I'll be able to drink it. So guys, try this at home. See how it goes with you. I hope if you're coughing, you know, we'll cut it right away. You feel much better. You can go to work or you can do whatever you know how to do. Take care. Remember, subscribe, share, comment. And remember always, God love you. See you to the next one.